Hello and welcome to today's math lesson. So first of all guys, can we all turn to wave and say a big hello to our friends on camera?
Hello.
Hello. And we'll begin by doing our meditation sequence. So I will sit down, take 2 fingers, find our heart center, left hand on our lap and close our eyes. And when you're ready guys, you can open your eyes and come back to the room. Excellent. And next we'll do our stretching sequence. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. And we'll begin by stretching up high. High to the sky. Next, let's stretch down low. Touch our toes. Next, can we stretch back up high again? And this time, let's go tippy toe high. And then when we're there, let's have a wave. And back down to touch our toes again. Stand up straight. Let's do some rotations. We'll go left, right, left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right. Very good. And now for some stretches. We'll go 5 to our left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next we'll do 5 to our right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good guys. And let's shake it out. Arms, legs, head. Shake it out. And to finish, we'll do 5 star jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent guys. Have a seat. So what have we been learning about in math class recently guys? We've been learning about money. Excellent. And money is spelled M-O-N-E-Y. Money. And in the last lesson, we practiced when we have one amount of money, but we take away another amount. What do we call this formula?
Subtraction.
Excellent. When we take one amount from another, we call it subtraction. How do we spell subtraction, guys? S-U-B-T-R-A-C-T-I M-O-N. Excellent. Money,
Money.
subtraction.
Subtraction.
So let's do a couple of examples now to recap and demonstrate subtraction. How much money did we have to spend in the last lesson? Can anybody remember? We had 5 banknotes. How much were they worth altogether? $500. Excellent. So $500 looks like this. Now, who can give me an amount of money that we need to subtract? How many dollars? $365. Any cents? No. Okay. And what I would like for now, I would like a volunteer to come forward and help me work out this subtraction problem. Who would like to join me? Pak Bung. Excellent. Come and join me at the front. What colour pen would you like to work out the problem? Black. Okay. So how much money do we have to start with, guys? $500. And how much money do we want to take away? $65. So we always start in the smallest column, the cents column, which is easy because they're all zeros. 0 minus 0?
Equals 0.
Equals 0. 0 minus 0 again?
Equals 0.
Perfect. So we have our cents worked out already. How many cents do we have?
0.
0. Now we need to concentrate because 0 minus 5 can't do. We need to borrow from the 500 column, becomes 4. 9. 1. Excellent. 10 minus 5 equals 5. 9 minus 6.
3.
4 minus 3
Equals 1.
equals 1. And our dollar sign. So, Pak Bung, after we've taken away our amount from our money, how much are we left with? $135. How many cents?
0.
0 cents. That was brilliant. High five. Big round of applause for Pak Bung. Let's do one more example on the board, and this time I want us to practice with cents too. So let me see. I will rub out the amount we have on the board now. So guys, can somebody give me an amount in dollars that we have to spend? How much money do we have to begin with? 550. Let's go $550. How many cents? 30. Okay. Now how much money will we spend?
700.
It can't be more than what we have to spend. 360. How many cents?
34.
34. Okay. 34. 550 dollars. 30 cents. Minus 360 dollars. 34 cents. Okay, now I would like another volunteer. Who will come? Who will help me work out this problem? Nadia, very good. Come and join me at the front. Okay, so what colour pen would you like to work out the problem? Blue. Okay. So guys, do we start here?
No.
No. Do we start here?
No.
Where do we start? The ones column. Okay, so 0 minus 4, can we do?
No.
We need to borrow from the next column. We'll borrow from here first. So that's it. So that becomes 2. And then 10. Excellent. 10 minus 4 equals 6. Now 2 minus 3, can we do?
No.
No, we need to borrow from the next column. 5 becomes 4, 2 becomes 12.
12 minus 3 equals 9.
Equals 9. Excellent, Nadia. We have our cents worked out already. How many cents? 96. Okay, and our next column we have 9 minus 0 equals 9. And then 4 minus 6, can we do? No. What do we need to do, guys? We need to take from the next column. So 5 becomes 4, 4 becomes 14. So 14 minus 6 equals 8. Excellent. And 4 minus 3 equals 1. And then we write our currency in dollars. Excellent, Nadia. So after we finished our equation, how much money do we have left? $89.96. Nadia, that was excellent. High five and a big round of applause for Nadia, guys. And well done to everyone. So now we're going to move on and look at something else. We're going to look at 2 new words today, guys. The first of these words is called income. I-N-C-O-M-E. Income. Now, does anybody have any idea what income means? Income means money that we receive. Money that we get is known as income. So I'll write that there. Income, money, M-O-N-E-Y, we, W-E, receive. R-E-C-E-I-V-E. Income, money we receive. Excellent. Can anybody think of any examples of money that we receive? Any types of income that we might get? Sometimes, do you get money from your parents? Do your parents give you money to buy things sometimes? Then you can call that as your income. Okay, so we can say money from parents. P-A-R-E-N-T-S. Money from parents is an income. Okay? I don't get money from my parents anymore, but I have a job. Does anybody know what the income we call when we receive money for our job is? Has anybody ever heard the word salary? Salary. S-A-L-A-R-Y. Money we receive for doing our jobs when we're older, when we're adults, is known as salary. But when we're still young, we don't have jobs yet because we still have to study at school. So sometimes you might get money from parents. And these are what we call income. Okay, income, money we receive. But sometimes we have to pay money out. We have to give money to other people for other things. That is another word beginning with E. Has anybody ever heard the word expenses? E-X-P-E-N-S-E-S. Expenses. Expenses is not money we receive. Expenses is money we pay. So money, M-O-N-E-Y. We, W-E, pay. Why? Okay guys, can anybody give me any examples of expenses? When do we have to pay money? When do you have to pay money? Excellent. We have to pay money for food. So food is what is expenses. If we want to travel, if we want to go on the bus, on the train or an airplane, can we do it for free? No. What do we need to do? We need to pay. So we can say money for travel is expenses. Food, travel. Any other examples, guys? Food and travel are two great examples. Sometimes we might want to go on holiday or things like that. If we have free time, we might go on holiday. When we go on holiday, do we need to spend money? Yes. So we will say holiday is another example of expenses. So expenses, money we pay. For example, food, travel, and holidays. And income, money we receive. For example, you guys might get money from parents. And people who have jobs, such as teachers, we will receive a salary. Excellent, guys. Well done. And what we have now, we have a video and a PowerPoint presentation for our students to get a better understanding of income and expenses. So guys, let's all turn our chairs to have a look at the TV screen. Statement of income and expenses. What can you see in the picture, guys? What do we have here? Money. So income, when we receive money. For example, we've already thought about two examples. Money from parents, and salary. You can see income comes in two different forms. We can have banknotes or coins. Yes, money comes in two different forms. Income, when you receive money from your parents. This is sometimes called pocket money. Have you ever heard the phrase pocket money? Yes. Once a week your parents will give you a little spending money that you can spend on yourself. And this is called pocket money. Money to keep in your pocket. And also, when you're older, you will all get jobs. And for the job you do, you will receive money. And this money is called salary. So income, when you receive a salary. Or when you sell something. Yes. This lady in the picture, what is she selling? Oranges. And when she sells an orange, what does the person need to give her? Money. So that money is an income for the seller, but it's an expense for the buyer. The person selling the oranges gets income. The person buying the oranges has an expense. So income, when you sell something. Next we'll look at expenses. Expenses, when we spend money. Yes, anytime we have to pay for something, that is an expense. Such as when you buy things. When you buy things. For example, food. Or items for school. Pencils. Rulers. Notebooks. If we have to buy these things, they are what we call an expense. And also, we talk about transport. When you take the bus. Yes, if we take the bus, do we need to pay money? Yes, this is called expenses. When you take the bus. Or airplane. Train. All types of transport will have an expense. But sometimes we do other things. We give money for good causes. These good causes are for people who are not as fortunate as ourselves. And this is called charity. Yes. And when we give money to a charity, this is known as donate. So expenses, when you donate to charity. Yes, you'll see in some places they have a box like this, and on it it says donate. And if people have any spare money, they can put their money into the box, and then it will go to a charity. So income and expenses. Remember, income, money in. Yes, in for money in, when we receive money. Expenses is money out, when we have to pay money. Any questions, guys?
No.
Excellent, very well done. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the video and the PowerPoint presentation to learn a little bit more about income, which is money that comes in, and expenses, money we have to pay out. And now it's time for our stretch sequence, guys. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. And we'll begin by placing our hands onto our head, shoulders, knees and toes. Knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Knees and toes. Eyes and ear and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Knees and toes. Excellent, guys. Now we're going to do it one more time. But this time, we'll do it slowly. And then, quickly. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Knees and toes. Excellent. And to finish, we'll do 3 jumps up. 1, 2, 3. Excellent, guys. Have a seat. And now it's time for our flashcards activity. So before we can have our flashcard activity, we need our 2 columns on the board. Who can remember the word for money we receive?
Income.
Income. Excellent, guys. Excellent. Income is money in. Money in. Income, money in. And what about our other word? Expenses. E-X-P-E-N-S-E-S. Expenses. So if income is money in, expenses is
Money out.
money out. Very good. M-O-N-E-Y-O-U-T. Excellent. Now teachers, for this activity, we need our flashcards. They have sentences and amounts of money on. So what we're going to do is ask our students to close their eyes. We're going to give each student a flashcard. They need to look at it and decide if it's an income or it's an expense. So let's see, first flashcard. Okay, let's open our eyes, guys. Nadia, come and join me at the front. Okay, let's hold up our flashcard and read together. Took the bus to school. $3. So if we had to pay for the bus, is that an income or an expense? Expense. Excellent. So Nadia, you can place it here. One more time. Took the bus to school for $3. Expenses. It's money we pay out. Nadia, excellent. High five. Big round of applause for Nadia. So teachers, you can see the activity that we're doing in our classroom now. You can pause the video and do the same flash activity with your own class. So play on for around the next 10 minutes and make sure you use a different student for each flashcard. And we'll carry on playing here. So let's see who's next. Okay guys, we can open our eyes. Lakgal, come and join me at the front. Can you show your friends your flashcards? Bought a snack for $5. So we had to pay $5 for a snack. Is that an income or an expense? Expense again, very good. So we'll place it here and read together one more time. Bought a snack for $5. Expenses. High five. Big round of applause for Lakgal. So let's see who can go next. Open our eyes, please, guys. Pat, come and join me at the front. And let's see what Pat's flashcard says. Can you hold it up high? Sold a book for $20. So if we sell something, we get the money. So if we get the money, is that an expense? No, it's income. Excellent. So one more time, guys. Sold a book for $20. Income. High five. Big round of applause, Pat. That was excellent. Let's see. Okay, who's next? Prel, come and join me at the front. Let's see what Prel's flashcard says. See if we can work out income or expense. Hold it up high. Received $65 from father. So if we receive, it's money in. What type of, is that expense or income?
Income.
Perfect, guys. It's income. Money we receive. So one more time. Received $65 from father. High five. Big round of applause for Prel. That was excellent. Let's open our eyes, please, guys. Chew, come and join me at the front. Okay, so let's hold your flashcards up high. What does it say, guys? Donated $20 to the temple. Remember, donate is when we give money to charity. So will that be income or expenses?
Expenses.
Perfect. So can we stick it on our expenses column too? Any way you like. Very good, that will do. And let's practice reading one more time. Donated $20 to the temple. Expenses. Excellent. Well done, Chew. Very good. Round of applause. One more. Open your eyes, please, guys. Pak Bung. Come and show us your flashcards. Let's see what it says. Ah, here's that word again. Received $80 from Father. So what do we think? Income, yes, it's like the last one. So practice speaking one more time. Received $80 from Father. Income. That was excellent, Pak Bung. High five and round of applause, guys. Round of applause for everyone. Well done. That was great. And now it's time for our worksheet activity. So teachers, what you'll need to do is you'll need to print out one worksheet for each student. And on the worksheet, there is a series of incomes and expenses. And what our students need to do is, using their table, they will start with 500 baht. They need to work their way through the list. If it's an income, add it to the 500 baht. And then, if it's an expense, subtract it. And as we go through the dates, we will have our balance going down the columns. So guys, what's the first thing we need to do? Write our names on top. So Nadia, that one's for you. Ned, for you. Prel, Pat, Lakau, and Chew. So give our students around 15 minutes to complete this. And if they have any problems or they need any help, you can help them. So any questions, guys, let me know. So the first column we have is the dates. So we can write our dates in here. So for example, the first example will be date 29th December. So we can write 29 December. And what is the first thing that we get? We receive from Father. So if we receive, it is an income. Receive money is income. So if we begin with 500 baht, how much do we receive from Father? 100 baht. So if we have 500 baht and we receive another 100 baht, how much money do we have in total? 500 plus 100? 600 baht. So we have the balance, I'll just need to write here. So 100 baht from Father will be income, which makes the balance 500 plus 100, 600 baht. And then we'll go on to our next line. with 600 baht. So income, how much do we receive? 100. Excellent. So 500 plus 100 gives us a balance of? Perfect. That's perfect. Excellent. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the worksheet activity where they had to look at the table of amounts and decide if it was an income or expenses. So remember guys, money we receive, income.
Income.
Money we have to pay out, expenses.
Expenses.
Excellent, and everybody did a great job, so well done. And that's the end of today's lesson. So we hope you found it interesting and had some fun too. And we'll see you again soon for the next lesson. So can we turn to wave and say goodbye, guys?
Goodbye.
Bye-bye. See you again soon.